Hello YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Now, as I said in my last video, I would do an unboxing. Well, here it is, one of my very first unboxing videos for YouTube. Now, you know what's inside this box because the description down there says what it is. So we're going to unbox this for you guys, and we're going to see what's wrong with it, repair what's wrong with it, and then demo it. You have to excuse me, I've got a bit of a cold, as you can tell in my voice. Oh, nice cup of tea. So, let's get on with it. So, after a lot of... hang on a minute. Okay. So after a lot of research and a lot of looking at other channels, every collector that I know has got at least one old vacuum cleaner. And I thought to myself, well, I've got some money to spare, why not? Why don't I just get myself one? So I scoured the internet, and there was loads of this model on eBay, and I saw this particular one selling rather cheap. £29. Free postage, now mine. So once I bought it, the lovely bloke Chris, who sold me it, gave me lots of information about it. And I think he's really pleased it's gone to a collector, i.e. me. So, but yeah, anyway, I thought to myself, yeah, why not? Why don't I have an old Hoover Junior? Okay. You don't need to see that. Have a look at this bubble wrap. It's been packaged very well. Absolutely tremendously right. That's part of the decorations. So, handle. Oh, that's a bit worrying. It's a bit of broken off something. That might be bad news. Have a look at this. Oh, ho, 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 look at this. Bag. Annoyingly not a genuine bag. This is a generic bag. Let's have a look on the inside. I think it is completely clean on the inside. Let's just have a quick look. Oh wow. Look at that. The owner has actually cleaned out the whole bag. Oh, that's amazing. Gotta be careful here. Gently. Oh yes, that is fantastic news. I like how these blow up like a huge balloon as well. That's quite interesting. So that's the bag. Oh wow, I can see something there that's very important. Okay. And here she is. Nothing else in here I need to worry about. Okay, so here are the parts to the Hoover Junior 119 that I have purchased. We've got a beautiful conditioned bag. Absolutely, I thought I need to clean it, but I really don't. Got the handles, and we got the main event. And here it is. That cable really is in good condition. No rips, no tears. Really smooth, and it's the original cable as well. I am absolutely over the moon with that. Oh, look at that as well, an MK plug on it. Got some muck from somewhere. No idea where. Chipped off there, but I don't think that matters. Nice and heavy as well. Right. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Lift the front plate off. This is my front plate, which is a bit, well, it's badly worn, unfortunately. Yeah, that's unlucky, but you can still see Hoover on it, and it still says Junior, so, but lost the emblem of the crest, which is a shame, but gloss over that. Oh yes, that belt definitely needs to be in the bin. That is in really bad condition. Okay. Well, looking at it, oh, that's where. Is that where it's come off? Yeah, that's it. Just a piece of it. It's broken. Only a little tiny piece of it. Don't think that matters. They're a bit. That's all right there. That's okay. But the brush bar, wow! Look at this. If I'm not mistaken, they recently put a brand new brush bar on it because they're quite high up in the air there. That's definitely great. Inside of it is a bit mouldy. Got some green here, don't know what that is. Oh yes. Oh yes, right, okay, so we've got that out eventually. Oh wow, that really is in good condition. That's amazing. Got a bit of fluff on it. I'll just remove that sequentially. Using my MVQ 200, okay. So that's the old belt. It's that is the old belt. You can see that completely and utterly foobarred. We don't want that. However, we do want these. Now these are brand new Hoover belts. I've got my last 3 left. The other 2 for another video. Ooh. What video would that be? Right, this is going to be an absolute fun game. Round belt, obviously. Ooh, okay. Same principle. Getting it back in is the fun part of it. I don't think it went in that way, if I'm honest. I don't want to force it if it didn't. Try it that way. Yes, there you go. Oh, this is fun. Oh, hello. So, to get the belt out, you put on them. That's different. If I'd have known that, I wouldn't have used me hammer. Okay. I haven't done any damage using the hammer, by the way, so that's good. Now, brand new belt, struggling already. Ah! Whew! Oh, ripped my skin. Yes. Of course, that was going to happen. Well, the belt's on, the brand new belt. A little bit stiff, but it's an old Junior. That's great news. Okay. Well, the inside of it's really clean. No, it really is clean. Absolutely. This has been looked after, or cleaned. Okay, so what do we need to do now? We've got the handles. They've been beautifully wrapped. Oh, look at these. Lots of bubble wrap. My black bin's going to be full. Okay, so this is the bottom one. Yep, that's the screw to, yep, okay, I know what I'm doing there. And again, that's the screw retaining cable clip. Right. Cool. Right, okay. Ah, okay. I think that's as tight as it'll go, but I will double make sure. There you go, that's, oh yes, that's good. Now, right, so we undo these, the screw and bolt on the top handle. Put that there, put that there, yes. Too tight. Extra doodah. Never mind. Okay. Now the bag. Oh, look at this. Look at this now. There we go. Okay, so now we've assembled the Hoover Junior 119, we're going to demo it. We're going to see what it can do. So there we are, my YouTube viewers. This has been my Hoover Junior 119. She's very quiet and fantastic, nice and smooth, especially now she's got a new belt anyway. And yeah, I'm really pleased to own her. She's an old girl, 1955, but yeah, I'm really pleased to own it. So like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.